Tired of remembering your Amex payment due date every month? If you want to set it and forget it, you're not alone. Today, we're setting up automatic payments for your Amex bill, step by step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. You can configure Amex to automatically pay your bill from your bank account each month, ensuring you're never late and avoid fees. Step 1. Navigate to Payment Settings. Log into your Amex account and go to Payments or Payment Services. Look for Set up AutoPay or Manage Automatic Payments. Step 2. Choose your payment amount and date. You can usually choose to pay the statement balance, to avoid interest, the minimum payment, or a fixed amount. Select your linked bank account and the payment date, usually the due date or a few days before. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: always pay the statement balance to avoid interest. When setting up AutoPay, always select the option to pay the full statement balance. This ensures you never pay a cent of interest, effectively making your Amex card a powerful, interest-free short-term loan every month. So, just like that, you can automate your financial health. Setting up AutoPay goes a long way in building a strong credit history and giving you one less thing to worry about. Now I'm curious, do you use AutoPay for all your credit cards, or do you prefer to make manual payments? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.